Hello and welcome everybody. Today I am going to show you how to fix the "we couldn't connect to Crunchyroll" issue on your phone. First of all, you need to make sure that you have the last version of the Crunchyroll app. In order to do this, you need to open the Play Store and search for the Crunchyroll. Inside of it, if you see uninstall and open, it means that you already have the last version. If instead of open you find the update option, you need to click on update and install the latest version. After doing this, if the issue is not already fixed, you need to do something else. You need to keep pressing in Crunchyroll and then press in App Info. When you see this, you need to click on Force Stop and you need to go all the steps further until you force the stop of the app. After this, you will just need to log in again in your account and the problem will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching.